Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to show you how to reset your X96S. Here at the My Apps page, you will find Droid settings or the settings itself. At the bottom, you have System. At the Advanced port, you will find the reset option. Here you see three options for reset: reset with Wi-Fi, mobile, Bluetooth, reset app preferences, and reset erase everything factory reset. This is the one that we will use today, the third option, erase everything and factory reset. So you can see it says erase everything. In this case, we know it will erase all the data after it starts to reset it. Now you can see the box itself is restarting and it's showing the erase sign, that is erasing all the data. Less data that you have, way faster it will be. So now the box, as you can see, it's starting. This will take longer in real life. We speed up the video. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another smart box.